we've known about emerging infectious diseases. That's been a term since basically soon after HIV and AIDS. So then we came to really understand the interaction between microbes, viruses in particular, and in animals and then humans, because that is a classic virus that was in non-human primates. It was in chimps, right, and monkeys. And then and there are very similar viruses to HIV which continually move between humans and primates, right? But this one, and HIV-1 and HIV-2, were the ones that really dominated in humans. So we've learned a very good lesson from that. So this whole area of so-called emerging infectious diseases kind of arose from around that time, right? So we understand that there are many viruses that circulate in animals all the time. So they cause sometimes they cause disease in animals, and we call these zoonoses. So they're viruses of animals, right? But when we interact with animals in certain circumstances, we can become infected by those viruses, not by all of them. The virus itself has to be able to infect our cells. And only some viruses can do that, right? So most of them can't, right? So sometimes you get this movement across the so-called species barrier into humans, right? And then if those viruses are very what we call virulent, in fact, they can cause severe disease in humans, and they're easily transmissible between humans, then you have a very bad situation.